If your Fujifilm Instax Mini 7S instant camera isn't turning on, the issue is usually related to the batteries, film cartridge installation, or the lens power mechanism. This instant camera powers on automatically when the lens is extended, which activates the internal electronics and flash system. If the camera doesn't respond, checking the battery compartment and ensuring the film pack is properly installed can often restore normal operation. With a few simple troubleshooting steps, you can quickly get the camera ready to capture instant photos again. Try these. Step 1. Open the battery compartment and install fresh AA alkaline batteries, ensuring the polarity matches the markings. Step 2. Press the power button beside the lens so the lens pops out into shooting position. Step 3. Check that the film cartridge is correctly inserted and the film door is fully closed. Step 4. Look for the indicator lights near the exposure dial to confirm the camera has powered on. Step 5. Press the shutter button to test the camera and verify the flash and film mechanism work properly.